Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a quick backup so you can undo changes. Next, go directly to the page that shows the page number you want removed. Once there, double-click the header or footer area, or choose Insert then Header and Footer to open the editing region. This gives you access to the page number object and section controls. Make sure you can see navigation links like same as previous because they determine whether changes affect other pages. Once the header/footer is active, check whether the page sits in a separate section. If not, insert a section break next page before or after the page so you can isolate it. Then click into the header or footer and disable link to previous to stop inherited numbering. After unlinking, select the page number field and press delete. This removes only that section's number. Make sure to verify other sections still display numbers, because unlinking preserves them when done correctly. Close the header and footer to return to normal view, then scroll through the document to confirm pagination looks correct. If a number still appears, switch to draft view and enable show/hide to locate leftover section or page break that keeps numbers attached. Once found, remove or move it, then update fields with Ctrl+A, F9, or save and reopen Word to refresh. If issues persist, undo the change, re-examine section breaks, and repeat unlinking more carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.